What's the meaning of awareness? Awareness. Awareness.
Awareness. Awareness. Awareness refers to having a conscious understanding or recognition of something. It involves being mindful and attentive to one's surroundings, emotions, thoughts, and actions. This state of consciousness allows individuals to perceive, comprehend, and respond to different situations in an informed and thoughtful manner. It also enables people to form connections with others, appreciate diverse perspectives, and make informed decisions. Cultivating awareness can help individuals to improve their relationships, enhance their problem-solving skills, reduce stress, and promote personal growth. Ultimately, the practice of awareness can lead to greater happiness, fulfillment, and a deeper sense of purpose in life.